Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, we are covering the text category formula from last couple of weeks, and in that part or in that series, we have divided the text category formula in several smaller groups, and we have covered till now three group of formulas of text category, and this is fourth group of formulas of text category. And in this group, we are going to cover two formulas as you see on my screen. The first one is code, and second one is character. The first formula we have today to discuss is code, and its description is there, and it is saying it returns code for first character of text string. Okay, so if we have any string that is Rajkumar, and it is saying returns code for first character of the text string. So this is my text string, and if I use code formula, what it does, it returns the first letter of the string code. So if I hit enter, so you see the capital R code is 82. Okay, so why 82 for particular R, and who assigns the code, and everything we are going to discuss in code tab. So let's go ahead and check more a couple of more example. So here if I use code for Rajkumar, so obviously it will return 82. And if I drag this formula, so every character has their own code. Okay, so if you see R has 82. So as I said, the string which starting with that particular letter. So Rajkumar and R both are starting with same letter. So we are getting same result. Amit and A are starting with capital A. So we are getting the same result. Okay, so and all other character also. For 2, it has 50 code, and minus for 45. Okay, so who decides these codes? So obviously there is an organization called ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this organization decides any new character introduced into our system. So they will go ahead and assign the code. As of now, the ASCII have introduced from 0 to 255 characters or code for 0 to 255 characters, and this is the organization which decides the code for any letter or any characters. Okay, so the use of code formula is very rare, and I will show you a couple of examples of the character is identifying the letter or character of any code. Okay, so for example, here if you see, I have 65 to 206 code, and if I want to know see for 65 which character is assigned, so I can see the 65 has a character. Okay, so this is code, and this is character. Okay. Okay, so if I drag this formula till the down, so you see here every single letter or character we have code. Okay, okay, you see, and as I told you, we have till date we have 255 codes, and I will drag till 255, and I will drag a couple of more. So if I drag this formula, so you can see we do not get any character for 256 code or 257 code, or we have the codes 0 to 255 till now. So no other code have been introduced by the ASCII. Okay. Okay, I will show you the character of this particular 86 is V, and for this 94 we have the up arrow. So I have to use this code to perform this activity. For example, if this is greater than 10, okay, equal to or greater than 10, then what I have to use the character 86. Okay, otherwise I will use the character 94. Sorry. Here I have to use, okay. If anything is more than 10, so it should populate 94 character, that is F9. And if anything is less than 10, then it should populate 86 character, that is V. So if I close this bracket, so you see 10 or more than 10, it should show up arrow. If I hit 50, so obviously it will show up. But if I hit 5, enter 5, so it will show me down arrow. Okay, so this is the way you have to use the characters in any scenarios, but we do use very rarely. For example, here there is one more example: area name and city name. So if I want to separate Hadapsar and Pune using comma, so we have the character or code number for comma is 130. So you see here 130. So I can use here this Hadapsar and percent and then character 130. Then obviously another character, another ampersand, and I use Pune. And if you want, you can use space as well in between this. You see, without so we know that the comma, you can directly use comma in between Hadapsar and Pune, but you can go ahead and use instead of comma, you can use the commas code. So the comma code is 130, so you can use that. Okay, so this is how you can utilize or you can use any character depend on your scenario which you are facing, or if you come across any scenario where you need any character to be utilized, so you can utilize that using these codes. Okay, so there is a shortcut as well. So if you use Alt plus 1, 2, 3, so the special character will appear. Okay, for example, Alt plus 1, so it will produce smiley. Alt plus 2, it will again dark smiley. Alt plus 3, it shows hearts. Hope you understood what is meant by code and what is meant by character. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.